Oh, abane de da o clear rabna obi be winning.
Sa 28 years na yen to nya ho hweye no se sia no pese ma yen sem na rabna ne mbra na hwe se. Impumto bi betumi aba kwashi bo abi.
Rabna obi is going to win the election hands down. Yes.
The obey ye kwan na maye no keke na me hwehwe. The obey win no on fa maye no nya ye kwan ma ye fefefe keke no apɛ na me hwehwe.
Me da for me na wase e ma akwa ban fa mra de TV so enne obepemu e Ablekumah North constituency e wo ha se ya. E ya abato aye to e na no e ye 2024 December ni mo no. E ye MP a obedi ade e de ama amanfo a wo mo Ablekumah North no na aye de ye ankasa. Se wo mo twen ho court e ko ho akone aba na court ahye say nei wo mo enyin sinto no mo nsane enfanto aba no foforo se sia no ye hwehwe se aso awurabna ochu ono ene befa anase akua friye ono ene efa aba na na ka me hona menje amanfo adwenkyere e wo ba bia omo eto aba no midin e de akosi aboajewa donko yenje amanfo adwenkyere me ba che mama akwa famra de TV so e ka ene abatu ya yetu efa Ablekumah North constituency MP asese ya no mosa na ye re-election na mayi no no ene NDC for osha o ma beto aba no.
Oh, okay, me da wase. Me share ground so far so good for Emma NDC for anano pay.
Na ye hu say MPP for no many abre say omonto aba no ohwemu a hu say MPP for ni be ne namu ana.
Oh, omo no mo kan so omonto but ene no mo wa say ye no omo ana wa anti enim wom omo so guso omo so e wa so ye no omo wa.
Okay, say na about no why na we gidi say e dey ya obefa aba no.
Oh, abane de da o clear rabna obi be winning. Rabna obi be winning.
Me da ase.
Me so me da ase.
Na o she na abatu na say na esi ko e wo Ablekumah.
Oh, ye hwia ye bo mpa ye say nya me mfa ye nsi ye. Na de obafa no no mfa asomdwem.
Okay. Mommy na oye MPP ni ana say NDC.
Oh, me NDC. 100%.
Okay. But say eba say eye Rabna obin e fa kra oye okay. Akua free ye so far oye okay.
Oh, obi afa say obi aye nipa.
MPP for na aye nti. Ama nti say nso tope. Number for na say amon ba ye ba nso ni kase ni ntoe. Ena de kanu kra mo kra de kanu ba. Ena ye ha o kase pa ye wa nti sa 28 years na ye nto nya ho hweye no se sia no pese ma ye sem na Rabna ne mbra na hwe say. Impumto bi betumi aba kwashi bo because de bia no mo so ya adwen. Nti saa we bu nti na pese en wayo mo na de oba no e betumi na ye adwuma e be ka ya asema che no betie no eno nti na ye say praise say be ye mo afri so se na be ya ye nso impumto betumi aba kwashi bo because road ni nti impumto ba trotro kra ba mo bre ena ye ha o kese pa ye face wa ha nti no me ha o
na o hwe na abatu ya de na o expect say ye tu ya de na besi
Me dey me expectation ne ba akopɛ because me meet down ho na me adwuma wo junction so wa na sister nsuo to wa ha na u kofi ayi say wa twen say so na auntie ntam say wa say oka nsuo no to me yere wa se o sa sister hu pa anti me dey da me hwehwa ne say de obeye ye kwan na maye no keke na me hwehwe se me bom pa ye say de obey win no on fa maye no nya ye kwan ma ye fefefe keke no apɛ na me hwehwe.
Okay, me da ase so
e ba ni say draw so kra ye si hata na ensure to me fire draws nyina akọ.
Yeah, today 11th July we are doing election here, and then we are the people of NDC and we are voting to Rabna Obi to win the election hands down here. By 5 o'clock we have to see our final results. Yeah.
So you believe Rabna Obi will win the election?
Rabna Obi is going to win the election hands down. Yes, he's going to win.
Why are you saying that?
Yes, because she's not gazetted as an MP yet, but thing that she started doing, it shows clearly that the woman is going to do something for us. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My sister, if you were the one, who will you support? At this point, you have a government that is performing. A government that is doing all that we wanted. Then you will go and vote for an MP that will come and tell her, because my government is not in power, I cannot deliver. When you know that you already have a government that is delivering, and you need to bring someone on board that will follow whatever the government is doing to bring more development to you, you go in for someone who come and be giving excuses. Me, to be honest, I'm a floating voter. But this one, you can't even ask me because I've made my decision. Since the NDC government is delivering, I need someone who will work with the NDC government for the success of my constituency. So this one there, you don't even need to ask. Sorry to say, but every normal person who wants development, who can think well, should go for the NDC candidate.
Okay. And people are saying that when this time around, if the NDC candidates win, the NDC people will sign the LGBTQ bill, which is in Parliament House. Is it true?
My sister, I don't know why you are even asking me this question. This one, let's leave it to the executives and the Parliament to deal with. Whether they are signing it, they are not signing it. In fact, that one is to be left with the lawmakers. So for me, I cannot talk for them for now. But the NDC government, I know, is against that practice. And they started since. You know, NDC government is morally and cultured government. And the people that are in that particular party, we are all against that particular act. So whether they are signing it, they can't even sign it because of it. It can go through. You understand? So that should not even come to play, okay? That shouldn't come to play.
Okay. Thank you.
You are most welcome.
Why now we
yeah, mammy, Rabna, you were Rabnachi, Boko, the about one is a fine.
Okay. Now, when your name before us or Mont Swab and abandoned your Mont, and no shall who MP before you.
Oh, and people one day or Mondos who I say, I crave no, I say, then this one day, I do what Jim said, you're quite into the manner at 12 months. Tell you what language.
Okay, now, what to say? Yeah, there's an NDC candidate area near. Mashabe Jeffrey LGBTQ or Honomono, Mahama best signing. Oh,
and then no crap, I'll best sign out my water.
So, what's the expectation?
Then I was expecting.
Oh, expected my Ramna Faban Boko, no to Quabiamba, then and Coke Boko. Say it what? Tell me,
me bacho about to you know. Oba habit, do habit
Oh, me do around 10 more.
Around 10 more.
9:30, 10 more. Yeah.
Osha about to an uncle for betopa.
Oh, well, yeah. More bank crank.
Na MPP for no mokas or month abano. One who be one now, one cast out MPP.
Oh, no, dear. Me get a yindi. But where be a bin in them. To bet a big so yeah.
Okay. It's Usha and de abatu ya. Why now shall bet me after?
Oh, share a mamma send a corner, no credit ever cope. Because vote, send a vote in the corner mamuna now a rabbi befa. Because already no share gap no crana demunua. A chance here, Siciano, a hano, MPP for one phone. Because almost 28 years in here. So what I say, no more we were at the Papa Bians in here in Fihamba. There's a constituency, they need change. Because you're too about for change and you're too about for developing. It's you but too about, let's say, who developing, yeah. As I was a sound, none you're developing, Babano, one man no quine. It will in 2024 election, there be a big change. It election radio, no matter how a rabble befa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me pacho Osha and Abatu ya Kosuna Oba Obedu Atambe.
They'll do it around 9:30.
9:30 na Bedua. Osha so far man for to Aban.
Man for to a particular NDC for to pa.
Oh, okay. And so who's to say and they about to inquiry why the befa?
Rabra.
Oh, okay.
Ejumaria. Yes.
When they be any year.
No be any year.
Okay.
Wasa waba. Oba de waba baby be correct. Once know what your president knows to do or fun for la.
Okay.
What on any there?
Me that son.
On that will be also say ban office. On that will be a play.
No, also not or tada down for.
No, also need a cobra sa but Oba asked to us, oh, yeah, the office first, no, Oba asked to us, but on Yakunya Betinaso, on Yashi. At the Rabban about the Bia so Finipa on the Jumaya bomb, so Finipa Benya Jumaya. We should be my woman. Yes.
Medase so ne.
Oboa young girls no pa nti no na ye mi de pa.
Medase.
Problem to ya kwaduro so aja kwaduro so ba no ye adwuma wo wetin asi. Boy so say adwuma. Yes.
But you na batwe. Wo sha hwan na ususu se wo fa ebeboa Ablekumah North constituency.
Rabna been far ebeboa ye because MPP for no maintenance 29 good years. Wo ba se mo amu kwan no so. Bibi anko so maye. Ekwefi wa ba bedi 4 years. Oba want to anye hwe no okoi. Omo MPP for no yi ni se onyade. Na omde shilabates bae. E na shilaba onu so amaye hwi. Na ekwefi asan be biom se o san ba abegina. Nti wa wo hwa wa mu ba se mo kwan no so. Mu road e wa ha. Ndem puto na ekoso ha 29 good years. Nti ye tese yenye Ghana for ana. Nti wa se yensise mu. Ekwefi de odi mana ne na wo se wa aba. Ya di me ekwefi akoye den.
Na no ye hu say MPP for no many abre kasa pa sa abato and ya ye de omonto ene wo hwemu a hu say MPP for ni bi to ana
omo ka kire so omo de omontu nti ene ye hu won po na ye wanwan because mo amusimu ntu aba po ne mu primo mu chiche sika say ye ntuma mu no ye nje sika bia ye mpehwi ba ye si ebetu nti na ye etu mo musi omontu po na omo pri ha no mu na ya ye si ebetu po ye de aye di na ye hwom
me da se so
me da se
Pacho, okay, na bato a ekoso wo hase ya. Wugina muma Arabna obiana se kwafie.
Okay, me so far no sorry to say that. Me momu there, me ntuma ba Nestle Holy Temple. Ba me momu there, matana kwa Shibu 11 years. Me ba no sorry to say me ba benya 6 years wa kwani mpo nso to a ye bre ye yi ye mpaboa ye bre. Wow, and me so me makuma mu ni there. MPP for betna so 28 years. Ye hu hwe wa. Ye hu hwe. Enso to a na kwane han. And a street light in so sometimes. Ye ni bi wa run. Ta kronfo ni ba run wa. Ba me mom de tumi ni mu de. Me mom de tumi ni mu de me so madua me krenze. Abane de mbato anka mo fama Arabna mo. So no new coming MP. And a old one so what na so ye hu se de otie. Ntimi de tumi na mo fama Arabna.
Nti na wugidi a wo ene say abato no kwa wi a hwan ne befa.
Oh me mom de slow but sure. Arabna number 1. We winning hands down. We winning MPP for no.
Mr. Mankwa, me wo fase wo say ni ska ba ne de awie ni project no. Eso de bia me wo fase ka ma ne wo problem.
Enemre mu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de.
Tap send here easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I obey any say.
Chirani say won ko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code. O ma de pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about any say.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubet me a call tap send app no create wallet also. And it's a rate in the cost now the Sikako wallet no. And I say, Pobet me to Susun kakra. And Tiabre Sema, Opes send this Sikaba Ghana. No answer was send this Sikanaba Ghana. And I say, Oba my Ghana more. What in here you Susikai or wallet no. Tia.
And you said to say you sumo Ghana Haydu.
Sapa Pepe. Says here tap send that Renashim. Copium United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap send now. Papa no.